How to integrate Twitter with Make.com. In this video, I'll show you how you can integrate Twitter with Make.com to automate tweets, track mentions, and manage content. To start, log into Make.com and create a new scenario. In the app list, search for Twitter. Once selected, you'll be asked to connect your Twitter account and authorize Make.com to access your tweets and data. After connecting, you can choose from various triggers such as when you receive a new mention or a tweet with a specific hashtag, then set up actions like sending an automated response, logging tweet data to Google Sheets, or reposting content. You can also schedule tweets directly from Airtable or Google Sheets, which is helpful for content creators or businesses planning weekly content. This saves time and makes sure your audience stays engaged without manually tweeting every day. You can even connect it via ChatGPT to generate automated tweets or monitor sentiment. The flexibility is endless, and the automation possibilities can help build your online presence faster and more efficiently. And that's how you integrate Twitter with Make.com.